Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, October 31st, 2023. I hope everyone is having a happy Halloween. I just wanted to shoot a quick video here in my truck because I'm always shooting videos in my home office, and I thought it would be cool to kind of just change it up a little bit. But I've been getting asked a lot if a $9.97 per month business can really change your life. And the answer to that is absolutely 100% yes, okay? The thing that you have to ask yourself is, are you willing to put in the work that it takes to make this $9.97 a month opportunity life-changing, okay? This isn't something that you just join and you sit back and wait for money to fall into your lap, all right? You have to be willing to take action, focus on this, and treat it like the real business that it is. And if you do that, over time, you will see success, all right? You will have success. You will see money start flowing in regularly, and, that'll just compound and build month after month after month. But you have to understand that you're not going to just join any business program. I don't care what home-based business opportunity it is. There are none out there that you're just going to join and then automatically overnight you're going to become a millionaire, okay? That just doesn't happen. I know that there are people that hype things up and make it sound like that, but that's not the case, okay? You always see people, in the real world who are very successful, and you think, wow, they must have had that handed to them, or, you never see them working hard or anything like that. But what you don't see is the years it took these people, or the majority of them, to get to where they are now, right? You see them riding around in a Rolls Royce or a Lamborghini, and you don't see all the sweat and tears that the majority of these people experienced before they got to where they are now. And it's exactly the same thing in network marketing. Network marketing is the only industry that I know of where you can write your own paychecks, okay? And what I mean by that is that there's no income cap in network marketing. You can make, there's people that I know, that my wife knows personally, who makes $40,000 a week in network marketing, all right? And that this particular woman has put in years and years and years of hard work to get to where she is now. But it's possible. You can do it. You just have to, think outside, think of what you've been taught, and then get rid of those thoughts that you've been taught where you need to graduate high school, go to college, get a job, and do the same thing for 30 years of your life. And then hopefully at the end of those 30 years, you have enough money to retire. All right, you got to get rid of that thinking and know that if you join a network marketing company, you want to focus on it for at least a year, nonstop, a year, and you're going to start to see that, the college degrees really don't matter, and all of the stuff that you've been taught before really has no effect. My point that I'm trying to make, because sometimes I go off on these tangents, but the point that I'm trying to make is that you don't need a degree to be a network marketer, okay? And even with people that have degrees like doctors, lawyers, even the president, they all tap out. They reach a certain level, and then that's it for their salary, right? With network marketing, you can start today and next year be making a full-time income, and then make even more money the following year and the following year and the following year. And you can really turn a $9.97 per month business into millions and millions of dollars. You just have to, be willing to put in the work, okay? And if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to show up each day, if you're willing to spend a little bit of time running your business, then you will have success in network marketing. The biggest thing, the reason why network marketing gets such a bad rap is because 98% of the people sign up, they expect to get rich overnight, and when that doesn't happen, they quit, okay? You have to understand that when you sign up for a network marketing company, it doesn't matter if you're an experienced marketer or not, you have to put in the work, okay? Even the most successful marketers on the planet, they still work. Right? They still run their company. They still run their business. So it's just like any other company out there. You can't expect to join and then become rich in 30 days. But if you join and you treat this like the real business that it is, There's nobody in the world that is going to stop you except yourself, okay? And our home-based business opportunity launched in April of this year. The parent company has been in business for over 25 years. The owner and the CEO has earned over $300 million in his lifetime. And this company is not going anywhere. We are just getting started, folks. We're in 120 countries currently. We have over 26,000 members who have joined since April. And we just are continuing to grow and grow. I think I've had over 90 people have joined my wife and I, our team, since October 26th. Okay, so we have a huge team going on here. This is an in-demand product that everybody that has a cell phone or a laptop or a desktop needs. And it's never going to become saturated. There's no competition in the marketplace, in the network marketing world. And now is the prime time to join. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click the link down below this video, take our free tour. All right, there's a 6-minute video that explains everything. And if it's something that resonates with you, you can become a member. You can join our team. You're going to have full support from not only myself, but my upline. We have trainings each and every week. And it's just a really family-oriented group of people who are all looking to change their own lives and help other people change their lives. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'm going to try to do more videos like this where I'm not sitting in my office all the time and just kind of shoot off the, not have any type of planned out video. I'm just going to come in here and talk and be truthful with everybody. And hopefully it resonates with you. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. I'll be glad to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing you inside the tour page. All right? So have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.